If you've never had bronchitis, I don't recommend it. Yikes. Hi everybody, welcome to another MSM video, and yeah, I'm getting over bronchitis. It sucked, it was terrible. I still have an annoying cough, but I'm well enough I can start doing videos again. So this is up to speed. If you've never seen one of these videos, if this is your first up to speed video, what we do is we talk about projects that we're working on, RC trucks that maybe we've completed, things that we found on the internet that are really cool, and like this little guy, little Ripsaw. I'm so stoked about this thing. I drove it last night, and yeah, it's a freaking tank, man. How cool is that? So yeah, we talk about our projects, we talk about cool stuff we've bought, parts, tools, what have you. And in this episode, we're gonna look at an oldie but a goodie. I've got a somewhat extensive collection of axial products. And most recently, I got a bomber a year or so ago, and I finally got a Wraith a few months ago. And so we're going to throw some parts at that Wraith and make it cool. I'll show you the Ripsaw here, talk a little bit more about that. And then I've got a really cool little buggy from WPL. WPL, if you are aware, we are an affiliate. We have an affiliate link to their website, and we share that in a lot of our social posts. So last month, WPL came on board to help support our kids club by sending us 4 trucks, 4 kits that we're going to build with the kids. So we're going to do a really big video. I'm going to unbox all the cool stuff that they sent us. We're going to talk about 2 C-24s that Peter and I have that we're going to do a build off. I've also got the 1/10 scale Jimny, or in this country, this continent, the Suzuki Samurai. So expect a video soon with a really big blowout announcement about WPL and how they're coming to help us and work with us, and the really cool projects that we're going to do with them. So I guess let's get into the meat and potatoes of this video, and I'll show you my Wraith. Okay, and so here we have the Wraith, and this is the Poison Spider version. It's not in bad shape. It's a little bit rough. Of course, it's been used, so it's got some scratches and so forth. But so the updates are going to be pretty basic. We've got wheels from Injora, so method style wheel, and I've got a blue bead lock that's going to go with that. And then I got some shocks from OG RC. Those are kind of cool. They've got apparently a functioning reservoir, so gonna run those and see how they do. And then I've got some links. They're just off of Aliexpress, and gonna reuse the tires that are on the car, and we'll find a driver figure to throw in there. So yeah, shocks, links, wheels, and throw a driver figure in it, and that'll be the Wraith. It'll be updated, upgraded, and I think it'll be cool. So yeah, that's that. Let's move on to the next rig. Okay, so here's the Ripsaw. This is a JJRC piece that you can get off of AliExpress. It comes with the tank, comes with a fairly simple radio. When you turn the steering wheel, it locks one side of the tracks and allows it to turn. It's got light control, and that's about it. There's no other adjustments. I took it for a bit of a rip on Monday night at our drift league out in Chilliwack, and yeah, it drives really well. I'm curious what it's going to be like going on a trail. I don't think this is anything that would be used for any serious like rock climbing or anything like that, but I think it could be a lot of fun just on a regular trail drive and for taking kind of cool videos. So it was less than $100, and when I I saw it reviewed on Discipline RC's website, YouTube channel. I just thought it was really trick, and so I grabbed one, and I like it. It's got some weight to it. It's got some heft. It's very detailed. It's got some really nice body details, full interior. So yeah, I think this thing's pretty rad. And like I say, for under $100, it's just one of those things that can be a lot of fun. Sometimes I think we take this hobby a little too seriously, and something like this allows us to have some fun and enjoy the lighter side of the hobby. All right, last up we have this cool little buggy from WPL. It's made for a couple different companies by WPL, and will come in other colors. The most common of this, of course, is the military colored one, the tan or the olive green one. But it's a cool little buggy. It's got independent suspension on all four corners. It's got lots of detail, like with seats, steering wheel. It's got an engine in the back. Just to show you that. It's got an engine in the back that could be painted and detailed. And yeah, just a neat little buggy. I'm going to modify this one. I want to make it like a classic dune buggy. So I'm going to take the fenders off, probably see if I can take those side skirts off, these baskets here, and paint detail the engine, tidy it up a little bit, and yeah, make it look like a really cool 70s, early 80s era dune buggy. It comes with a controller that has some adjustability. It's got trim on it. It's got light switches, proportional steering. This and the Ripsaw both come with batteries and chargers, of course. So yeah, really cool little buggy. And again, just keeping it light. This is, for me, kind of the fun side of the hobby, just to find things that are neat and interesting and different, and just not taking things too seriously. So I think that's a cool lineup of stuff for this week. I'm pretty stoked about what we've got here. So if you're enjoying our videos, please please subscribe. Our subscriber count is growing. We're getting there. We passed 60. We're on our way to 75, and it's cool. I'm really happy that people are enjoying the channel. I'm happy that people are enjoying what we're doing. We're new at this, and we're cutting our teeth on this and just sharing with you guys the stuff that we're doing, ideas that we have, and it's taking it's not a super straight trajectory. There's a few jigs and jags and this and that, but I think overall we're providing you guys some content that's interesting. Some of it might be entertaining, and if you're enjoying it, I'm super pumped about that. That's really rad. So again, thank you for watching. Check out some of the other videos that we've posted up on our channel. We've got some really cool stuff, especially we did a trail video this past weekend at the SAF, Scale as Frick, as it's called by the LMRCC Comp Association. And we took a trail video of Peter's Trail Runner and my Sendero SE, and we had an awesome time. We did about 1.5 kilometers of trails, and it was awesome. So we got that video. Plus, go back and look at some of our other stuff. Check the channel out. Please comment. We love reading your comments. Peter and I answer them, and we enjoy speaking with you guys through the comments section. And for now, I guess I can say you guys are up to speed.